This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about food labels, specifically these RW Smart label dispensers and food rotation labels. First, we have the RW Smart food rotation labels, and it comes in a nice little box that you can actually use as a dispenser as well to peel those labels off. And we can see these are great day of the week labels. They're actually trilingual, which is really fantastic. You can buy each day separately. We've got Monday here, or you can purchase them as a 7-day set, which is fantastic for food rotation. They're biodegradable and they're also dissolvable, which is fantastic. You can just dissolve them under running water when you're washing your dishes, and there'll be no residue on your containers. There are general labels as well, which you can see leave a lot more room for varied information. And especially if you're using these on containers that aren't clear, it's allowing you to put down the item, the prepared by date, give you a used by date, and even a little employee signature, which is fantastic for quality control and checks. It's also got the days of the weeks down there, so you can circle the day it's made for easy spot checking when you're doing inventory. And there's also the fantastic use first labels, which you can see are bilingual as well. And these are great for putting on, especially things like dairy when you're rotating. If you're using that first in, first out method of organization for your foods, these are going to be a fantastic purchase to really help your employees quickly identify and grab the items that need to be used first in your fridges and freezers. So these labels also have compatible clear dispensers that are available as well. And they're just going to be really fantastic if you're looking to implement that FIFO, or first in, first out organization of foods. And one of the features of both the general labels and the day of the weeks is that they'll fully dissolve in water. So I've just got a little water here and I've got a label in a container, and I'm just going to hold it in there for a few seconds and show you how they dissolve right off. But these labels will completely dissolve in 20 seconds under running water. So as you're washing your dishes, the labels will come right off your containers and leave no residue, making these perfect for any food establishment. You can see it goes right off to help you organize your fridges, freezers, or even your pantry. And they're not going to leave any mess behind, so they come off really easily there.